read, then you don't found a good book by J.K. Rowling. So hello friends, this is Kitty. Welcome on Writers Write. I am your YouTuber, blogger, book reviewer and currently a student. So watch this video till end, and at the end I am going to give you a bonus tip. So friends, this video is divided for different genres, but if you are looking books that suits you either on reading level or on age factor, then check out my previous videos, and yes, surely I can assure you that you will love them. Okay, so the first genre we are going to talk about is science fiction, and for science fiction my favorite author is H.G. Wells. He writes this genre actually beyond our imagination, and that science fiction wants. So here is his first book, that is Invisible Man. I think the name gives you a suitable idea, or many of you have read it already, but those who are not, you should read it, basically because a man who's a scientist himself get invisible by doing experimenting on others. Basically, let me tell you that he's doing experiment on his cat. So, but how he became invisible to himself? And yes, this man becomes a devil man after becoming an invisible man, and story goes on. And so how, why and where, when, all these questions if are coming in your mind, then check out this book. You will really love it. And yes, in this lockdown season you should read it. Okay, so now next book is, yes, you will love it. You know the genre is, I think the genre is non-fiction. Okay, next genre is non-fiction. So the book is Forge Your Future by APJ Abdul Kalam. Who was he? This will be a rubbish to question and answer. Well, let me tell you, if once you don't know who was he, well, APJ Abdul Kalam. I drawn him, but not as beautiful as he was. What in this book is, he replied all your answers in the email that he got. But don't think that this book is going to be boring. It will motivate you, and I suggest you highly to read it either in morning time, back time, or when you feel lazy to work. Okay, so and at the end you will be boastful to say, yes, I had read something, because a person like him was the only to motivate you to further. So non-fiction of him will be the best for you to suggest. Okay. Our next genre is fiction. Yes, we all wanted our bedtime stories, our grandma stories and all. So today's book is Mother's Love by Rosie Harris, and yes, I will say that it's a very good book, because in this sufferings of a mother was being described very briefly as a story. So what happened that there was a girl who has her child, means she was pregnant, but she was pregnant after losing her boyfriend. So she escaped through the prison of societies, bars of societies, because she cannot have them. She escaped from there, worked at different places, and then sued again. She worked here, there and there, so many places, but finally, did she give her birth, or miscarriage was done? What was to be done with her child? This will be a very interesting story to listen and to read. You can get it either in I don't think so it's available in audio. If it is, you can go for it, but yes, I read it as a physical book. So if you want it, then comment down below. I'll leave its Amazon descriptions, Amazon links from the next time. So comment down below if you want the links. Okay, yes, this is our advice time. So what we are going to advise today you is how to increase your imagination power for reading a book. This will be a very difficult question for book readers. Sometimes it happens that we are reading the book, but we are not able to imagine the things. So how can we do this? So, and yes, these things will really be helpful to enjoy the book. So the thing is, try to imagine things by believing in yourself, reading more and more, and watching less movies and TVs and other things, because they are the most who can kill your imagination power. I'm not saying that you should not watch them, but you should watch them less. If I can say, watch a movie and TV serials or Netflix shows and other, just for 30 to 45 minutes or an hour maximum, but try to replace them with your books. And yes, fiction books will really be helpful to you. And yes, this will be my part 1 on genres. A part 2 will going to become very soon, and you will get new books on different genres. So keep tuned for the more videos, and hit like and subscribe button before going to next videos. So thumbs up to you, and bye.